I think what I've seen in purpose-driven founders, me as an example, and I also have my brother who's running a healthcare startup in the US and India, and my father's also been very purpose-driven with his business. I've only seen one thing, that if you are very aligned to the purpose, that's what the founder is looking for. And here, what's very, very important for you to understand is how you can grow that purpose and mission
Yes.
beyond the salaries. We tend to negotiate on salaries, 10x, 2x. This was my last drawn. This is what I
Mm-hmm.
think for those founders at that moment. The impact, the real problems that they solve is more important. That's the kind of people that they are looking for. So if you come with a mindset to actually solve the problem that they're solving, give them real solutions of how you can grow the company in solving those problems, reaching out more people in those segments. That's more than important for them, rather
Correct.
than just asking them simply XYZ was my last drawn salary and XYZ is what I look for and this is what I bring on the plane
Correct.
and this is what your XYZ candidate would not have done and this is what's wrong. And the secondary thing that I also would want to like understand is that people don't understand the very fact that we are only box setted in our own skill set. We only know that this is my CV and this is what it can reach out to you. But I think when you reach out to a purpose driven brand, their CVs is not what helped them solve their basic problem.
Oh.
Their their own problem solving capacity is what made them build that particular startup, or their lived experience is what they built helped it. So I think
Amazing. Amazing.
I would also
Correct.
prefer somebody to come without CV and with more answers to different questions. At Ampana Creations also we don't really check CVs. Even if they come, we do the basic check. Beyond that, we have our own case studies. We have multiple questions that we ask. We give them creative courses to complete. Give them creative questions that we ask. What would you have done if this was a situation?
Yes.
What was the challenge
Correct.
that you solved
Yes.
that solved something? Because at the end, degrees and papers, they're at the end papers only.
Right.
And the world is
Correct.
evolving and you have to do this.